Hey, what's up guys? We're out here in beautiful downtown Dover, New Hampshire today. We're checking out the city, we're checking out some coffee shops and just taking a walk around downtown so that you can get an idea of exactly what this awesome city in New Hampshire is like. So come along with me. If you haven't met us, I'm Cam Avery. I'm a local real estate agent and resident. And if you're interested in more information about the Seacoast, make sure to hit that subscribe button to our channel. Let's take a walk through Dover. It's a beautiful spring day. Actually, it was like the second day of spring, and so you can see some snow is still on the ground. If you've never walked through downtown Dover, the nice thing is that it's essentially a circle, so we'll get a chance to walk the entire circle today and check out some things. Obviously, beautiful day on our left here. We have Henry Law Park and the Children's Museum, as well as on the left. This intersection always gets really busy around rush hour. Everybody coming home from work. If you like the paper, this is where the Foster's Daily Democrat is made. And there's the courthouse there, the iconic courthouse in Dover. Not sure what I was pointing at there. There she is. And there is La Festa. Amazing pizza. They actually have a garlic knot crust, which is as good as it sounds and probably as unhealthy. When we go, I usually get this barbecue chicken pizza with a garlic knot crust. I'm pretty sure I can only eat like one piece before you're completely full. So good though, definitely check it out. Sonny's Tavern. Custom skateboards at the Ryder Street Co. It's kind of a cool shop. Nice view of some mill buildings over there in the distance, and this is really like the main intersection in downtown Dover. Right across the street you have the Thirsty Moose, which is a bar and restaurant that has one location in Dover and then one location also in Portsmouth. It's 603 Bar and Lounge. Harvey's Bakeries, great place for baked goods and breakfast. Looks like they're doing some construction here on the left. I've got a little courtyard here. Summertime, they've got tables set up and just a nice place to hang out, have a cup of coffee, and then obviously the mill's across the street. A ton of businesses are in there. And the snow is melting and it's starting to feel like spring out here. Honestly, it was just a beautiful day to be walking around. Not a lot of people out, but it was, midweek. Oh, here we go. Little dog walker. And here's the Cachico River. Some new construction. You can see some condos going up there on the left. And the saddest part of downtown Dover is Earcraft Music is closed, which is where I got my first guitar when I moved to the area. It was a Taylor 414 CE. Still bummed that they had to close and shut down, but that was a great music store. Interested to see what's going to go in there next. And then coming up here, you've got a lot of different restaurants and shops There's a Japanese bar. Across the street is Lexi's Burgers on the other side there. Well, as you can see, there's plenty to do if you're looking to grab a bite to eat, if you're looking to get lunch, breakfast, or dinner. Downtown Dover definitely has you covered. Here's a Mexican food place. Market Square Jewelers. Another jewelry shop. Coming up here on the left is definitely the best coffee shop in Dover. It's called Flight. Got a lot of great coffee, some good sandwiches, an awesome place to come in and hang out. If you have a meeting for work or business, it's a great place to sit down with a client, or obviously if you're just looking for a nice place to go on a date in the afternoon, it's an awesome place. Definitely would recommend checking out Flight. And heading down here on this road here is Christopher's 3rd Street Grill. Highly recommended. More of an upscale restaurant if you're looking for a really nice dinner, steak and seafood. Remember I had a chicken Alfredo there once. It was absolutely delicious. And here's the iconic Ross's Furniture. You hear their commercials on the radio all the time. Definitely check them out when you're in Dover if you need some furniture. And now we're making our way back around the circle here. Not a cloud in the sky today. If you're looking for more information about the area, we actually created a Seacoast, New Hampshire relocation guide. You can download it for free just by clicking the link in the description. And if you do me a huge favor and just hit the like button, I know it's small, but it really, really helps me continue to grow the channel and reach more people just like yourself. Thank you so much for joining me on this walk through Dover here. Coming around the corner, coming around some mill buildings here. Nice pizza place in here, Chapel in Maine, which is a really nice restaurant. Dover is definitely a mill town, and here's our Keller Williams office. Maybe someday we'll have a closing in there together. And we're coming back around here. Beautiful view of the river and down looking at the park here. And see that Dover definitely has a lot to explore, so definitely make sure you come and visit Dover if you're visiting the Seacoast, and definitely reach out if you have any more questions.